So I came across this channel, and honestly it's super simple, but it's doing really well. Look here, they only use two cute cartoon characters. The video are short and it's all kind and friendly fun. They already uploaded like 16 videos, and they've got over 314 subscribers just by doing this style. And the best part, you can do the same thing, yes, by using free tools or simple animation generators. In this video I'm gonna show you step by step on how you can start your own kids animation channel just like this one. We're gonna start right here on ChatGPT. So we're gonna just need to upload the image, got the image from YouTube, then I'm gonna paste the prompt. So the prompt is just a simple prompt: create a short animated video featuring these two characters playing together, keep it fun, colorful, and full of playful moments, just like this example. So we've got the reference image right there, so we're gonna come here and submit. Okay, so now we've got the story that ChatGPT has generated for us with the reference image. So now the title of the story is gonna be Bob Luma's Forest gameplay, and then we've got two characters, which is Bob and Luma. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna copy this information about the two characters so that we can keep the consistency in our images. We're going to be using a Veer AI. So this is a free online AI image generator and image to video generator. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here on text to image, as is the one that is going to help us into generating the images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and then copy this character prompt. So we need to keep the consistency, so I'm gonna just paste it right here and then go back again and then copy the prompt for the actual image. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to Veer and then I'm gonna just paste it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna come here to the aspect ratio and then just choose the 16:9. Okay, then I'm just gonna come here for the model. I'm just gonna go with the quality model and then click generate. Wow, that's so cute, man. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna come here and then download the image. Oh, that's so cute. And then I'm gonna come back here and then just paste the new prompt. So I'm gonna just continue to keep the character information just like that so that I can keep the consistency, and then click right here. While I'm waiting for the image to be generated, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and copy the third prompt. Okay, so that is the second image. Look how beautiful the image is. Yeah, okay, so this is another one. Just make sure that you download them or else you're gonna lose them. Okay, so now we are done with creating our images. So the plan now is to turn these images into video. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna come here to image to video, and then you're gonna just click right there. So now we're gonna copy this prompt for the video, and then we're gonna paste it right here. And then we also gonna need to paste the prompt for the image, the very same one that you used to create the images. And then we're gonna paste it right here, and then you can just add the image. Okay, then you can just come here to generate. Okay, so this is the result. Look how cute the image turned out. That's so cute, man. Okay, so you can make sure, so you just need to make sure that you download the video, or else you're gonna start from the beginning, so that you can just remove the image and then you bring another image into the platform. Okay, so now I've just added another one with the new prompt for the video and also for the image. So all I need to do is to click submit. So this process, you need to repeat it until you are done with all your images. So now, since we are done here, we can just move to another process, of which we need to bring everything into the editing platform so that we can start creating the full video. Okay, so now we are at the last part of the video, of which you need to bring all the files into Canva. And then another thing that you don't forget to do, you can ask ChatGPT to create you the soundtrack for the music that will go exactly